Spend the day with us as we went to Chinese restaurant to eat Chinese fried rice in shrimps and fried chicken in garlic. Enjoy the video, guys. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, please do to subscribe, comment, like, and share. No.
Just like that chicken. My sprite! No, my sprite! Give me back my sprite. Oh, what did you say? Danny, right? I'm just need to my.
Oh, my face is
I'm ready. I'm ready.
I will keep quiet now.
What is the video? Say quiet.
What's it now? Crazy. When you go now, you ask me. Stop.